Hi, in this video we're going to look at stretches parallel to the y-axis, or you can think of them as vertical stretches. So here we've got a function f of x is x squared minus 2x minus 1. We can see that this point here from the x-axis is 2 units. And then what we're going to do is look what happens if we put a number, any number in front of the whole of the function. So at the moment the number is 1, so it's identical. So if we change this to be 2, let's make it be 3. Okay, here the distance is 2 units, but the distance from here to the new minimum point here is going to be 6 units, so that's 3 times 2, which is 6 units. Okay, and then points here, let's have a look if we can find another suitable point. This point here is 1 unit away from the x-axis, so therefore it will be 3 units down from the x-axis. This point here is 2 units from the x-axis, and then it will go upwards 2 times 3 to 6 units on the y-axis. So the whole thing's been pulled up and down. So we say this is a stretch parallel to the y-axis. So y is equal to p f of x is a stretch parallel to the y-axis. Stretch factor p compared with y is equal to f of x. Now, if you make p negative, let's just look at minus 1 for a minute, and we'll look at this in a separate video anyhow. What happens is the stretch goes the other way. Instead of pulling this in the same direction as this will now go this direction. Okay, and in fact, when it's p is minus 1, what you do get is a reflection of the function in the x-axis. If we make p like minus 2, okay, but because this distance here is 2, then in this distance it will be 4, but in the opposite direction. Okay, this distance here to here is 1, and therefore in the opposite direction it will go 2. And we could look at minus 3 as well, probably. There's minus 3. Okay, so this distance here is 2, and then we go in the opposite direction 6. Okay, so this is called a stretch parallel to the y-axis. So again, this GeoGebra app I will put in the notes of the video. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.